Mo Tamaiti! Tara Aumalesulu, welcome to episode 7. I have my cousins here today. They are going to be talking about what is lockdown and what their favourite places are. Here they are now. Pinieli and Sarona, take it away.
Tara Aumalesulu, how are you guys doing today? I got 3 questions for you guys. The first one is, what is New Zealand going through today? Can anybody tell me?
Well, I can.
Yes.
Lockdown.
Oh, that is correct.
Well, I have a question for you.
Yes.
Question is, what is a lockdown?
Well, a lockdown is like quarantine. Quarantine is when a sickness or virus comes and it's deadly and you have to stay home. But the only time you can go out is when families need to do grocery shopping. Because we have to keep the flow going. The second question is,
What is your cousin's favourite place?
my favorite place is Sky Tower. Sky Tower is the highest, I think the highest place in New Zealand. And it has the best food.
Then what is your favourite place?
Well, my favorite place is McDonald's because it has burgers, and the fish fries, and the fish drinks, and also the best ice cream ever. Well, what's your favorite place?
My favourite place is here.
Why? Why is that?
Because I can play with my family and stay home, and it's a good place to stay.
Is it safe though?
Yes.
Ooh, well there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The safest place to be is home. We're gonna sing this little song. Ai ai Yesu ise ainga tas fa. Ai ai Yesu ise ainga se ainga. Ainga fia. Ainga fia. Ai ai Yesu ise ainga se ainga. Ainga fia. Ai ai Yesu ise ainga se ainga. Ainga fia. Ainga fia. Ai ai Yesu ise ainga se ainga. Ainga fia. The best place you can ever be, children, is home. Sophia Yesu, Amen.
Wow, wasn't that awesome, Tamaiti? Now, here comes our next song.
Have you any room? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baba bless you, have you any room? Yes sir, 3 bags full.
Well done, Tamaiti. And don't forget, Tamaiti, you can share what you've been doing during this lockdown. You can ask Mum and Dad to help you send a video or a message so that we can share it with all our friends. Now, I'd like to show you a fun activity that my family and I did before all this lockdown. Enjoy! Redwood!
Bridge 2. We are really high up. You can see the cars going past underneath us. Lila's just playing. Looks like quite a few more bridges to go. But yeah. Look at that. That's what's holding the bridges up right there. Oh, wow, it's just hanging in there. Oh my gosh. How long that is. It's beautiful, but it's scary and, well, pretty high. Oh! How you doing? We've done it. Go, Sophia. You can do it. We've made it all the way around. I'm sure you was fine. But yeah. Yeah, Dad made it. There's the driver.
We have time for one more song, so let's go.
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha.
One more time.
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. Let's go.
I had so much fun with you today. And remember, send me those videos. So fast way forward, Tamaiti.